Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. Our research paper today was published in the International Journal of Cardiology in September 2013. Now, it's a remarkable study that followed 443 Swedish citizens for over 5 years with reevaluation every 6 months during the study period. Now, the study subjects were 70 to 88 years of age at the beginning of the study. Now, the study was a 5-year, randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trial whereby half the subjects ingested every day 200 milligrams of coenzyme Q10 and 200 micrograms of selenium during the trial period, and the other half of the subjects were ingesting a placebo. Now, no one knew who was taking what. Now, the study showed that after 5 years, the group taking the CoQ10 and selenium supplements had 50% fewer deaths from cardiovascular disease. The group receiving the CoQ10 and selenium supplements also showed lower levels of a key marker for congestive heart failure and also had better findings on their electrocardiogram evaluations. So at the end of the 5-year period, 12.6% of those in the placebo group died from cardiovascular disease, or they had died, while only 5.9% of those taking supplements had died. That's greater than a 50% reduction in cardiovascular disease deaths in those following the supplement routine. So the researchers concluded this: long-term supplementation of selenium and CoQ10 reduces cardiovascular mortality. The positive effects could also be seen in a key marker for congestive heart failure, which was lower, and on electrocardiography. So how might CoQ10 and selenium cut the risk of cardiovascular disease? Well, we've known for a long time that the body makes less coenzyme Q10 as we age, and CoQ10 is required to convert food into energy. So lower CoQ10 levels in the heart muscle seem to result in a weakened heart pump due to sort of a type of energy power shortage. Now, putting the CoQ10 back into the body as you age helps to maintain more optimal CoQ10 levels in the heart muscle, enabling the heart muscle to generate adequate energy for its pumping action and preventing a weakening of the heart muscle as you get older. So the net result is reduced risk of heart failure. That seems to be the primary mechanism. Now, selenium plays a key role in preventing free radical damage to the heart muscle. Previous studies have shown that low selenium levels increase the risk of a type of heart failure known as Keshan disease, which is reversed and prevented by optimizing the person's selenium nutritional status. So my feeling has been to start taking low doses of CoQ10 by age 45, about 30 milligrams per day, as a means to sort of support your heart muscle performance as you age. Now, by age 60, a person may want to take doses around 60 to 90 milligrams a day. Now, the study in the International Journal of Cardiology provided individuals with 200 milligrams a day of CoQ10 to these individuals who were 70 to 88 years old. But I'm not sure that doses that high are required for prevention, especially keeping in mind that coenzyme Q10 is a very expensive supplement. However, it's important to know that cholesterol-lowering statin drugs like Lipitor decrease CoQ10 synthesis in the body, and thus individuals taking those cholesterol-lowering drugs are sort of advised to take at least 90 milligrams a day of CoQ10 just to prevent a major CoQ10 deficiency. As for selenium, many good multiple vitamins contain 100 to 200 micrograms of selenium, and I think that's the best way to ingest selenium as opposed to taking it as a standalone supplement. Selenium works synergistically with other nutrients, and that's why I would suggest taking it as part of a high-potency multivitamin. Anyway, I think this 5-year study is very eye-opening and continues to support the view that in addition to a prudent diet, exercise, not smoking, stress management, and other lifestyle factors, that targeted supplements like CoQ10 and selenium may also play a role in the prevention of cardiovascular disease, which is, a very major leading killer in our society today. So I've included a link to the study in the text below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.